Do you want your space to be sparkly clean or perfectly organized? Wait, can you have both?
Yes, you can. And in this M2O TV video, we'll show you how.
Have you ever wished you could clean and organize a space in your house all at once? Well, wishes do come true, and you don't need a magic wand to make them happen. Hi, I'm Mackenzie Scott, and although I'm not a fairy nor do I have a magic wand, I am a certified professional organizer and lead organizer at Mission to Organize. And today, with the help of our resident cleaning professional, Maria Mendoza, we're going to show you that even though cleaning and organizing are two very different skills, there is a common process to cleaning and organizing any space for squeaky clean and orderly results. Let's get to it, Maria. To demonstrate how to best accomplish this, Maria and I will both be transforming our own bathrooms. The best way to start any organizing or cleaning project is to remove everything from the drawers, cabinets, and countertop surfaces. Also remove the individual items from any containers you've been using so they can be cleaned later. This is also a good time to toss out trash from the waste bin or any other spaces. Here's a pro tip. Have a small tote, box, or bin handy to transport all the items. Not only will this save you time, but it will also keep your items together for when you need to sort, purge, and donate. Once the container is full, place it out of your way in another room.
Now that the space is completely empty, we can start cleaning. Begin by dusting off all of the surfaces from top to bottom, since all the dust particles will fall to the ground. You can do this by hand with a rag or a duster. To speed up the process, use a handheld vacuum or a crevice attachment from your regular vacuum. Once everything is dust-free, spray your favorite all-purpose cleaner on all of the non-mirrored surfaces. And now while you might be tempted to start wiping immediately, wait and let the solution sit for a few minutes to activate the ingredients for a deep down and easier cleanup.
While you wait for the cleaner to work its magic on your surfaces, you can spend a few minutes organizing the items you just took out of the space. First, you'll want to sort similar items together by placing each one into a separate pile. For example, in a bathroom, you might have categories like makeup, dental, hair, personal hygiene, medicine, and applicators. As you separate and categorize each item, you'll want to remove any duplicates, donate any items you no longer use or want, and throw out anything that's expired. Lastly, return any items you found that don't belong in the space to their home.
Once you've finished sorting and allowed the cleaning solution plenty of time to set in, it's time to get back to the cleaning process. As you wipe off your counter, we recommend that you clean from top to bottom, left to right, using the S technique, rather than scrubbing in circles. Using this cleaning method ensures that you're getting all of the surfaces clean and not spreading dirt in areas you just wiped down. Before you put away your dust rag, clean all of the baskets and containers you emptied earlier. The last step is to spray the mirror with a solution specifically designed for mirrors to avoid any streaking. Wipe it with a clean dry rag or a paper towel.
With the space free of dust and debris, it's time for us to bring everything back. Determine the best place to store your items by assigning each category its own space. You want to consider placing the items you use most often in easy reaching distance. Items that you use only occasionally can be stored in the back of a drawer or cabinet. To keep things from getting lost or out of control, use your freshly cleaned containers to house items and create separation inside of your drawers and cabinets and on your surfaces.
We're almost done. The last thing we have to do is clean the floor where those pesky dust particles have fallen. With a broom or a vacuum, clear the floor of any dust and small debris. Then, to add some real sparkle and shine, pull out your favorite floor cleaner and mop and have at it. We suggest again using the S technique to ensure that you are covering all surfaces and that you aren't spreading dirt all over the place. Once the floor dries, return your mats and voila, you're finished! When you've put your cleaning supplies away, take a step back and admire your hard work. You did it! Everything is clean and organized, and it didn't require any fairy magic after all. Now that you know how to clean and organize a space, you can rinse and repeat this process in any area of your home.
If you could use a few extra hands to help you along the way, Mission to Organize specializes in cleaning while we organize, so we'd be happy to assist you. Of course, you can also get a ton of tips and organizing ideas by subscribing to our YouTube channel, M2O TV, signing up for our monthly newsletter, M2O Buzz, reading our blog, chatting with us on social media, or visiting our website. There's so much talent on Team M2O, and we love sharing it with you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!
The crevice attachment. Do I look too bright in this light? Maybe, maybe not. This MTTV